Nachos can be made for a group or for a single serving. They can be eaten for lunch, dinner, or even a snack. Just make sure if you are eating in a group, don't take the nucleus of the nachos. Now I'm going to be sharing one of my recipes that I use for nachos. And if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and I'll have more to come. Hi, welcome to Lornas.Cookin. Before you start making this dish, I would suggest you get all of the ingredients together. There's a term for this in the culinary world, and that's mise en place, which means get everything together, such as your ingredients, your pans, your utensils. If you have to peel anything or grate something, get all of that together. Oh, one more thing that I want to suggest to you, is just grate your own cheese. It's best to grate your own cheese because it melts better. The cheese that's in the refrigerator of the grocery store usually have a declumping agent in it, so that makes it a little bit more difficult to melt. So on to nacho making. Well, how I do it. So far, I have heated my pan. I put my oil in the pan and heated that. Then I put the meat in and seasoned it. I cooked the meat and then I drained it. Now I'm going to assemble some nachos. All done. I hope you try this recipe, and if you do, please let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you want to know the next time that I'm going to be posting a video, hit the bell that's above. Lastly, please hit the subscribe. The button should be somewhere around here or there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care.